This is a book for people who wake up at 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. or 3 a.m. worrying. Maybe you don't call it worrying. Maybe you call it planning or organising. Sometimes it is helpful. Sometimes genius and the truth arrives at this time. But sometimes it is just your mind or your ego spinning lies, keeping you awake, freaking out your body, making you sick, torturing you, trying to keep you small. I have been there. Years, months, and just hours ago. And it's so wonderful to get over it, to be able to choose to get up and use this time to greet the dawn, or to soothe the beast and be able to go back to sleep in peace, and wake again knowing that there is nothing to be afraid of, that I am alive and my life is perfect, and we are all perfect. This is a book about faith, about adventure, about living with my heart open and letting go of the fear of being myself. In June 2016, I decided to sell my house of 22 years and leave my comfort zone. I had no idea where I would go next, but slowly the Camino de Santiago showed itself, and I decided, with no rucksack or hiking experience, to start. In the first part of this story, I left England and flew to Seville and travelled on to Granada, where I stayed first in a treehouse and then a cave, before I picked up my rucksack and headed north on the Camino. Through vineyards and accidentally up mountains, I walked, and then back by bus and on, trying somehow to follow the yellow arrows of the way, accidentally ending up with my own private spa, turning round again, and heading to stay in a hostel for the first time in the UNESCO town of Segovia.